on with Pearl? She's been sneezing for hers now.
I think she has allergies. Mr. Krabs.
Oh, great. Another excuse for her to be useless.
Hey, don't be so mean, Plankton. She can't help it if she's allergic to something.
Yeah, leave her alone, you little speck.
Whoa, dude, that was a big one.
Excuse me, Miss Peer, but can you tell us what you're allergic to?
Great conversation starter there, Perch.
This is bad for business. We need Pearl work.
Maybe we should get her some medicine.
Sneeze uncontrollably is uncontrollably
Looks like someone needs some Benadryl.
Here, Pearl, take this and maybe you'll stop sneezing all over the place.
still sneezing and unable to speak
Laughing at Squidward's attempt to
Can we please just get back to our interview? This is a disaster.
Well, at least someone here knows how to do their job.
Enough bickering. Someone give me some damn Benadryl before I lose my mind. Patrick, what does it?
I don't think she's in the motor shop right now, Patrick.
This is ridiculous. I'm going back to my lab where it's quiet and sneeze-free.
Oh no, please don't leave us, Plankton. We'll miss your charming personality.
Hey, Pearl, do you need a tissue or something?
That's it. I can't take this anymore. Storm's off.
Looks like someone won't be getting that promotion after all.
This is a disaster. How are we supposed to run a successful business with an employee who can only say one word?
Aren't you SpongeBob giggling uncontrollably, Plankton? Good luck with that, Mr. Krabs. It worked well, at least it can't get any worse, sadness.
Actual Larry is calming in frustration. Tools of the wise about to go right.
All right, everyone. Let's just go inside and try to make the best of this situation until Pearl stops sneezing, if she ever does.